Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Snapchat login disable. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. If you want to log in your Snapchat account and it's showing an error due to repeated failed attempts or an other unusual activity, or it's showing an error, then I'll show you how can you log in your account very easily. So first of all guys, make sure that you have an updated version of Snapchat. So after that guys, just simply make sure that you are putting correct information like username or password. So after make sure that so after that guys, check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if once again there guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to reset your password. For that guys, you have to tap on forget password here. Now from here guys, just simply you have to select the way via phone or via email. Now I'm going to tap here via phone. So I have to put my phone number, so you have to put your phone number that you have given for Snapchat. Just simply I'm going to put here my phone number. So once we have done this, just simply tap on continue. Now from here you have to tap on your text. Now from here guys, uh, wait some second and you have to put your new password here. Okay guys, so you have to put the new password here. And after that guys, just simply you have to wait some minutes, and after that try to log in your account and put your new password that you have updated recently. Okay guys, just simply have to put the same password, and hopefully your problem will be fixed and you can easily log in your Snapchat account. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.